everyone, this is MotherBee. Today, I will be showing you again an easy but yummy recipe of choux pastry filled with Vivo whipping cream. Brought to you by Jersey Butter Pan, Margarine, and Vivo Non-Dairy Whipping Cream. So let's get started! In a saucepan, bring to boil the water, milk, and Jersey butter pan and heat it up to 85 degrees Celsius. Remove from heat and immediately stir in sifted flour. Stir well until combined. There should be no white powder visible and it becomes a dough. Return to heat. Cook for 2 more minutes while continuously mixing it until the dough releases from the sides and bottom and creates a thin film at the bottom of the pan. The finished roux temperature should be 90 degrees Celsius. Place the mixture into a bowl fitted with a paddle attachment. Mix to cool down for another 2 minutes. Continue mixing for another 2 minutes but start adding the eggs gradually, one at a time, scraping the bowl often. The finished mixture should be smooth and have a light sheen, and the temperature should be 45 degrees Celsius. Transfer the mixture into a bowl, then cover with cling wrap and let it cool down for 30 to 45 minutes. Use a plain round piping tip and put it in the piping bag. Then twist the ends. Fill up the bag with the pastry mixture. Pipe the butter using a plain tip on a lightly greased sheet pan or lined with baking paper. Do not use Teflon or over-greased pan because the butter will not cling onto the surface and will not create a hollow center when the steam is created during baking. Sprinkle or spray water onto the surface of the piped butter and bake in a preheated oven set at 210 Celsius for 10 minutes. When the products are well expanded, open the oven door to let some of the steam or heat come out and reduce the temperature to 160 Celsius and bake for further 10 minutes. Poke a hole at the bottom of the pastry big enough for you to pipe the filling. Set them aside and prepare the whipped cream. Put the whipped cream in a bowl. Make sure that Vivo whipping cream is chilled for 24 hours prior to using. Whipped until double in volume and the texture is already stiff. Use a plain piping tip. Put it in a piping bag and fill it up with a whipped cream. Then, pipe the whipping cream inside the choux pastry and set aside. Let's prepare the caramel. In a casserole, put sugar and water. Stir briefly and let it simmer. Occasionally, brush with water the sides of the casserole. This is to prevent recrystallization of sugar. Continue simmering until it reaches the desired caramel color. Remove from heat and cool down for 2 to 3 minutes or just until it starts to slightly thicken. Quickly drizzle the caramel on top of the pastry, or you can dip them one by one. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day! Bye!